So tonight was a really long day. Today was a really long day. My anxiety levels have really been very high the last couple of days. And I don't know what it is. I seem to be doing fine, but there's definitely a lot of anxiety under the surface, which a lot of people have. You can look passing, look fine, look normal, but you actually are really anxious or depressed or, you know, whatever. So I've really been trying to check in with myself. Last night I meditated, turned on Headspace, which I haven't used for a while, and I felt a lot better after that. There is so much going on in my head, and I've really worked really hard in the last couple weeks on getting caught up with text messages. I have like 10 unread text messages now versus over 100, and definitely my too much gene has really kicked in and really not helped with this anxiety of me being like, oh, you know, let me respond to some texts, and then I'm like, oh my god, I have to get it down to 0. It's okay to do a little bit at a time, and I'm not giving myself that. And I think it's just brought up like a lot of anxiety of me constantly looking at my phone being like, okay, who do I need to respond to? Because my New Year's resolution was to respond to friends within like 24 hours, and I'm doing 5 emails a day. And it's just been a lot of new stuff that I wasn't used to on top of everything else that I need to do. And I find myself, my brain just racing at night before I go to bed, thinking of all the things that I still need to do, that I should have done, that I need to do tomorrow. And I really haven't been sleeping well. I've been tossing and turning in the mornings every day. And so I definitely need to figure that out because my anxiety is just like going through the roof. Okay, peace. All right, so I don't know why I look like so red. My eye is definitely extra red. I'm staring at the computer for too long. I am dressed up because I'm going to a learner executive mentoring program roundtable. There's some mentors that they wanted students to come share their experience with, so I'll be doing that, and I'm really excited to do that because I love this program. And then right after that, I have a meeting with Zach, the founder of Dual School, and we're just gonna be catching up, talking about Dual School, how the program is going, and also how I can help. And I'm mentoring a student for the Diamond Challenge. I met with her this last Sunday and told her about the program because I started mentoring her this last Sunday, and she was like, oh my gosh, because the deadline is I believe tomorrow, is like 5 days away. So she sent me her submission, so I need to look that over and send that to her. All right, let's get to these meetings. All right, so very exciting meeting with Michelle and Jana. We are launching a TikTok for Upcycle Design, so please go follow us. Our handle is at up.cycle.design, same as Instagram, and we are so excited to be launching a TikTok. The TikToks will include a lot of the behind the scenes of how we are making and prototyping, and I'm so excited to see what you all think. We worked really hard on it tonight. This whole last week, Michelle and I have been talking about it, planning, and we're so excited. So this next Wednesday, we are launching it officially, and I am just so excited. I really know absolutely almost nothing about TikTok. So if y'all have any suggestions of how we can do it and improve it, please let us know. But I'm really excited. So that was a great movement forward with our marketing. All right, update done. Bye. All right, so here begins a new week 2 of UD's winter session. It is a very busy day. I have a meeting with a previous summer founder, Matt. I don't really know what we're chatting about, but he wanted to chat, so I set up a meeting with him. So anyway, I'm really excited for today. Let's get started. Really exciting meeting with Matt. He is hoping to put together an event, an AI environmental conservation event, showcasing how AI can be used in a really ethical manner to help animal conservation and you know, climate conservation and all of that. And so we're so excited. He is hoping to do an event this August, which will bring together a bunch of different people in this space. And he was inviting us, Upcycle Design, to come and have a booth there. And he has very limited space, so it was really kind of him to offer us a place. And he said, you know, they're working with the Brandywine Zoo, and so we could potentially create a product and then, you know, sell it and donate a portion of the proceeds to the Brandywine Zoo. And we were thinking maybe like animals that are made from upcycled fabric, or I was thinking like our cloth stickers, animal themed, and then obviously 15% would go to the Brandywine Zoo. And it was just a really exciting chat. Matt is doing so many incredible things. He is just changing the world and such a really cool person. So shout out to you, Matt. Keep it up. Yeah, you're very inspiring with everything you're working on. And yeah, thank you so much for inviting us to participate in this event. So I'm about to hop on with Michelle and I'm gonna talk to her about it, and then we're gonna like brainstorm some stuff. So super exciting. Just like so many fun, exciting things that are coming our way. And yeah, thanks, Matt. Michelle and I had a great meeting today. We are like at the end of our prototyping stage for our cloth stickers. Michelle put it on the inside of her planner and it looks really cute on the inside cover. You can do it on like your laptop or any surface. So we're going into the manufacturing stage. We are doing 20 units each. We have 3 different designs. I can show you guys the designs. But yeah, so exciting. We had a great meeting and I just feel like we're moving forward in all areas, which is great. So time to relax, reset, recharge, rest, rejuvenate, and prepare for the rest of the week. All right, so I just got some really exciting packages in the mail and I got this book, Good to Great by Jim Collins. For the Siegfried Entrepreneurship Program, each of the students has to do a salon, they're called. My friend Tony and I are doing our salon on the book Good to Great, and I've never actually read it. I've just read the monograph to it, so I gotta get reading on that. So that was really exciting. What should we open next? I've gotten a lot of packages in the mail this week for some wild random reason. They sent us passion planners. Whoa, this looks really cool. It's called a passion planner. It's like in leather or like fake leather, which is wild. And I have so much to clean up in a minute. They have like daily list views by time. And then it looks like monthly reflections, which is really cool. This is awesome. Space of infinite possibility. These are so cool. Ooh. And then in the back, there's a little, what is this? Create the life you've always wanted. It's so cute. Thank you so much, Emerson. And I love this. I'm gonna put this on my wall. So I'm so excited to start diving into that. And now let's open the next really exciting thing, which is from Dr. Cynthia Otto. She is the director of the Penn Working Dog Center. And this is really exciting. So let me tell you a little bit of a story before I show you what we got. So Michelle and I this last summer got connected to the Penn Working Dog Center, specifically Dr. Otto. They are working with dogs to detect COVID just by smell. We worked with her on a t-shirt design. We designed the back. We designed this. Look how cool this is. So this dog was designed by one of our designers, and then this was as well. And then our name, if you can see, so this is the name Maxine of the artist. And then this, Upcycle Design, that's us. Look how cool. It's so cool. And these shirts go to anyone who participates in their COVID study who's been tested for COVID. You can send in a piece of your clothing, an article of clothing that you've worn, and you will receive a shirt with our design on the back. Thanks to Dr. Otto and the Penn Working Dog Center. Really cool opportunity. And yeah, that is today's unboxing. Okay, bye. All right, we're trying a new hairstyle today. I don't know if I like it, but we're working with it. So, Aurora's about to sneeze on me. Okay, Aurora, I had food up here a minute ago, and so she is just searching for it. She's all over. Let me at it. Okay, you're gonna keep moving the table. Get out of here. No. She's so rude. She keeps interrupting me. My BHLP group, stop touching stuff. Get out of here. I wanna open them up and show you. Aurora. She's got the zoomies. Please be quiet. Okay, mommy's doing something. Basically like a workshop. So my friend, Aurora. Things, I don't know what it's supposed to be. Aurora, chill. I can't get over this hair. I look like I'm 12. All right, bye.